Emotional suppression involves intentionally avoiding distressing feelings by thinking of other things or holding things in. Suppressing your emotions, whether sadness, anger, frustration, or grief, can lead to physical stress on your body. It can affect memory and blood pressure. Over time, there is an increased risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. According to statistics, men suppress emotions more than women, but women experience more symptoms of depression. So let's find out top signs you are suppressing your emotions. Let's get started. Number 1. Loss of interest. You may lose interest in sex. You might not bother with hobbies you used to love. You might not like being around friends. Number 2. Excessive sleepiness. Sleep is essential for regenerating the body and replenishing energy. People who have excessive sleepiness feel sluggish and drowsy most days, and these symptoms frequently interfere with schools, activities, work, or relationships. Number 3. Weight gain. There are many behavioral reasons why suppressed emotions could contribute to weight gain. An individual who is depressed might see comfort in foods that are high in trans fats and food preservatives, or might not feel motivated to exercise. They may also take antidepressant medication, which according to research can cause modest weight gain. Number 4. Anxiety and depression. Depression affects an estimated 1 in 15 adults in any given year, and 1 in 6 people will experience depression at some time in their life. Depression is a mood disorder described by a persistently low mood and feeling of sadness and loss of interest. Number 5. Being overly sensitive. People with many suppressed emotions are quick to take offense. Comments that other people might laugh off can irritate someone who has a bad disposition. When you're overly sensitive, any insecurity or perceived judgment becomes a tangled mess of negativity you struggle to overcome. Additionally, some people with suppressed emotions are always waiting for others to screw up. Number 6. Avoidance. People with suppressed emotions avoid people, things, or places that remind them of the emotions that they don't want to feel. Avoidance behaviors are problematic because in the long run, they only serve to increase anxiety and fear. Number 7. Specific facial features. Suppressed emotions affect the facial features and empower a penetrating glare, tense facial muscles, furrowed brows, pronounced frowns, enlarged pupils, flushed complexion, and prominent veins. Number 8. Using alcohol or other drugs to take away emotional pain. Alcohol only creates more problems when it comes to emotional pain, and it's not productive in forgetting your troubles at all. Moreover, alcohol is depressant, especially if a person consumes more than the body can handle, so not only will it not numb your pain, but it will most certainly add to it. Also, regular alcohol intake tends to have a way of freezing the person in time, meaning that it freezes your emotional development. Number 9. Memory issues. According to research conducted at Stanford University on female undergraduates, emotions that are not allowed to be expressed have negatively affected memory. The result of the research clearly showed that if someone were suppressed, the processing of information, especially short-term memory, was negatively affected. Are you related to these signs? Please let me know in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.